The next website I chose is called Blooms. The audience for this website would be for teachers and parents. I chose this website because it allows for communication between teachers and parents. Teachers can set up conferences, send group or private messages, and share important information. The standards I chose for this website are ISCE 4C, and that's use collaborative tools to expand students' authentic, real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, teams, and students locally and globally. And also ISCE 4D, demonstrate cultural competency when communicating with students, parents, and colleagues. Interact with them as co-collaboration and student learning. This definitely fits this website because teachers and parents do have to communicate so much, and they are collaborating on student learning through this website. And then I chose TPK1, that's candidates communicate and collaborate using digital tools. So I'm going to click on the website Blooms. Sorry, it's wanting to load. There we go. Okay, this website is Blooms, and up here it says if you're a teacher, parent, for schools, childcare, PTA, so all of these different things can use it. So right now, this is what it would look like if you're ready to join. So if you're joining Blooms, there's like a tutorial that you can watch, or if you're just logging in, if you already have an account, you can sign in up here. For this, and it says start my class now. So the first thing that you would do when you have Blooms is you would ask your parents to join using either their phone number or their email. So once your parents have joined and you've started your class, you are connected with them. So you can send class updates to all of them, you can share videos and photos, and it's super easy to do. They can either get it on their email or they can get it on their phone, just like this is showing here on the side. You can coordinate calendars. So what I do a lot is I coordinate parent-teacher conferences with them. So right here it says it'll show you the reminders. So I just put a spreadsheet and I have them sign up on the app to see what time they want to come in. You can also do volunteer or item sign-ups as well. You can communicate with them if you would like to send a private message like it's showing on the side. You can send a private message where no one else can see. Or you can also send a message to every parent at the same time. So it just depends if it's a more private matter or if it's something that all the parents can benefit from. So this app is really good. A lot of the teachers like it, and it's way more communication with their parents. It also is private and secure, so no one is going to see the messages that you send or the pictures, so it's easy to send pictures. There's also a behavior tracking device on here, so if parents do want to sign up for that, you can tell them how their student's day is. So it's very easy to use. It's really good for teachers and parents to communicate and collaborate with each other. You can either, even if you have a PTA and you need to send group messages out, it will be good for that too.